Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can activate Netspend card online. Keep watching the video till the end. To activate your Netspend card online, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in netspend.com and make a search. The official page of Netspend will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page and from the displayed options tap on Activate Card. Now to activate your card, enter your card number and 3-digit security code at back of your card and tap on Continue. This is how you can activate your Netspend card online quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.